Hey, welcome to the Philippines. I'm John. We're about to go on an adventure, baby. Let's go!
I have 3 workers right now in the farm. Let's see, look at them. There are 3 workers here in the farm. Hey, Rina. What are you doing? Hard work. Look at them. Hannah, she's in wheelbarrow right now, getting all the rocks. And look at this. From this beginning and over there, they finish it since this morning. Natapos nila. You know, natapos nila lahat to. Sila niya nagkabot. They are the one digging all of this. Hannah getting all the rocks, then nicely using the shovel, and Rina using the pickaxe. Just a hard work. Muntik na. Muntik na.
Tired.
Okay. Hindi naman siya naglagay ng rocks. Okay. Okay. Picture. 1, 2, 3, go. Picture. 1, 2, 3, go. Kunwari ito, nag-pickaxe siya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, wait lang. Di ko nakita yung pickaxe niya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Kunwari. Hana din, kunwari.
Stop, Hana.
Doon, Hana. Doon, tatlo kayo picture. Doon, yung maganda ang... Okay, doon, picture kayo.
Mag-iposta ang video.
Oo, mamaya na. Doon kayo, tatlo picture.
Hindi na tayo sa iposta. Tayo mo na i-open.
Oo, mamaya na nga.
May
Okay.
hala naman din eh.
Sige, go. 1, 2, 3.
Halay, hawid din ka ba? Hawid din ha. Hawid.
Okay, go.
Dito sa kuhan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Mga 3 workers. Kunwari, like robot.
Doon.